The 15th BRICS Summit is here, and one of the hottest topics on the agenda is the proposed BRICS currency. Could this new currency challenge the dominance of the US dollar and reshape the global financial landscape? Join us as we delve into the intriguing world of BRICS currency and its potential impact. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you won't miss any of our informative updates. Let's get started. The 15th BRICS Summit is set to take place in Johannesburg from August 22 to 24, 2023. One of the most anticipated topics of discussion, the BRICS currency. Imagine a currency uniting the economic powerhouses of Brazil, Russia, India, China, and South Africa. Some proponents and supporters are even calling it the Euro of the South. This proposed currency isn't just about economics. It's a strategic move to potentially reduce the dominance of the US dollar in the global financial system. While the idea isn't new, it's gaining traction as the BRICS nations aim to challenge the status quo. With a combined population of over 3 billion, the BRICS nations possess immense economic potential. However, creating a common currency amongst these diverse economies is no small feat. Economist Lord Jim O'Neill, who coined the term BRICS, acknowledges the challenges. Despite skepticism, calls for a gold-backed trading currency have reignited discussions. Brazilian President Luiz Lula da Silva and other leaders within the bloc see the potential in a unified BRICS currency. Russia, which is under Western Cape sanctions, will certainly be happy to have an alternative currency challenge the US dollar. A BRICS currency could be the bloc's biggest leap forward since South Africa joined the group in 2010. So why is the BRICS bloc pushing for a common currency? The answer lies in their desire to reduce the global financial system's reliance on the US dollar. Lord O'Neill highlights the issues with the current dollar-dominated landscape, saying the dollar's role is not ideal for the evolving world. It's time for a change. However, transitioning to a BRICS currency isn't as straightforward as it seems. Questions arise, such as the establishment of a BRICS central bank and how to gain global acceptance and use of this BRICS currency. As the 15th BRICS Summit approaches, the discussions around the proposed BRICS currency are gaining momentum. Will this currency reshape the world's financial landscape, or will challenges prove insurmountable? Stay tuned as we bring you the latest updates on this monumental topic. Like and share this video, and let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.